back with another video, but this is my honest opinion on Braelyn.
Turn the lights on. One bottle for hands, two bodies, and three orgasms. Two for you, one for me. That's all I need.
She came twice, I came last.
For hands, two bodies, three orgasms.
She came twice, I came last.
Numbers don't lie.
Okay, so this is what she looks like out the box. As you can see, she came customized, pre-plucked HD lace. She also has 3 combs, so you got the 1 comb on the left, the 1 comb on the right, and the 1 comb in the back. You also have 2 adjustable bands on the left and the right sides in the back, as well as the adjustable strap. So let's get into her. Not showing the install on this video, you know what I'm saying, but I am going to give you the specs and the rundown on what happened when I installed it. So we're gonna start off with this card right here. This is Braelyn. I got her in Balayage Caramel. It is a big head friendly unit. So for you smaller head ladies, you are going to have to use that adjustable strap and maybe even glue it on, even though it says glue less. I would suggest if you do choose this unit, get her in black. So I'd go with maybe like a Balayage Gold, or maybe like a Chunky Highlight 27 or a 30, because these are all the colors that they come in. So they come in the caramel, Balayage Caramel, Balayage Chocolate, Balayage Gold, Balayage Hazelnut, Balayage Mocha, Chunky Highlight 27, Chunky Highlight 30, and Chunky Highlight Blonde, as well as looks like a T6 613. So those are the colors. It says that it's glue less, but I glued this unit on because the tabs on the sides were bigger, so I glued it on. Plus, I like to glue my units on. All I did with this unit was use the EBIN red spray. So this is what she looks like from the back. Nice, wavy. I use conditioner and water spray, as well as a tiny amount of conditioner, and that I ran through the hair with a paddle brush. That's what it looks like from the back. If you can see, this is my lace after I installed her. I went with the side part instead of the middle part. It is a 13 by 6, so you do have that room to pluck and part up in this reason right here. It's just like a 13 by 2 on the sides, and right here you got a 13 by 6 that you can pluck. It did come pre-plucked, but I still plucked more because that's what I like to do. The cap on the inside is not a cap, it's actually tracks attached to a sort of wig cap or whatever the case is, so it makes it real breezy. Okay, so pros about this wig. You have a lot of room to do what you want to do, as far as like put it up in a ponytail, do a middle part, side part, whatever looks good on you, do that. I did the side part because that's what looked good on me. I tried the middle part, it just was not given, so I did that side. You know what I'm talking about? Another pro about this unit is it is long hair, so you can cut it and make it into a different style if you want. I haven't tried to curl the unit, so I'll tell you more about that. Because I do want to try curling it, because I feel like in order to achieve this look, you are going to need more curls. It came really, really straight. Another pro about this unit is the lace. The lace came really, 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 really transparent. I didn't really have to do too much. And that's normally how it is with the browner color units. The lace is really, really good. And you don't have to do too much like blending or anything like that. And it does have that strap in the back, since it is glueless, because it comes with the 2 adjustable straps, as well as an adjustable bra strap in the back, if you know what I'm talking about, for the glueless look. So if you do have a big enough hair for that, then you can go ahead and go with the glueless look. I don't like the fact that when I separate it in the back, you can see tracks. So we're going into cons now. You separate them, you can see the tracks. So I suggest sure that you got you a nice paddle brush. I used the paddle brush, I tried a comb, and I tried a vent brush, and the comb and the vent brush did not work. So the paddle brush was the best brush for me. That gave the unit fire when it was brushed. Now, try to brush this unit, it does tangle a lot and it does rat up in the back, like say if you're wearing sweaters, coats, anything like that. So this unit is more like a summertime unit so that you don't have to wear very many layers. Another con about this unit is the lace is very itchy. See, I've had some laces from What Lace and from Sensational that didn't give me that type of irritation. Overall, I'll give this unit maybe a 7 out of 10. This is intermediate, and I'm gonna try and give it more curls and let you guys know what goes on with that after I install it, or after I uninstall it, excuse me, and then you know, try to bring it back to life, see if I can give it big super curls to where, you know, it'll give this flamboyant like butterfly look and stuff on what they were trying to do. So Sensational, I see what y'all was trying to do with this joint. What Lace Cloud 9 is popping as far as a lot of things. So like I said, it's not a beginner friendly unit, so it's more like an intermediate unit. So that's why I give it a 7 out of 10, because I be trying to tell you beginner friendly ladies which ones to try. However, this is not a beginner friendly one, only because you do need to know like how to finesse your unit a little bit more. So that's about it. Braelyn, I will put the link in the comments. If you like Braelyn, go and get her. Okay, so see you guys later. Peace.
Can't last.